Hello, welcome to Ask Me Asha YouTube channel. Never forget to subscribe our channel.
Today I got Adsense account approved. In a lockdown time. I will show you with proof with mail received from Google Adsense. Let's see email received yesterday. Some of the creators are making videos of Google has stopped Adsense approval in COVID lockdown time. That's all our bullshit. Google never stopped his services. The proof is my video. I got approved in this time. See the video till end. And never forget to support me with subscribe my channel.